In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start subject Maths class 9 complex numbers exercise 2.4 question number 1. In this lecture we will learn how we can apply here laws of exponents, and dear students, I hope all of you will be fine. So let's see, we will start class 9 subject Maths. Before starting this lecture, first of all, subscribe my channel, like videos, share videos with your friends, and also click on bell icon and click on all options so that you have to get updates about my new videos. So let's see, we will start exercise 2.4 complex numbers class 9th subject Maths. So use laws of exponents to simplify. First part is 243 whole power minus 2 by 3, 32 whole power minus 1 by 5 divided by 196 whole power minus 1 and whole power under root. So first of all, we will discuss its laws of exponents. Let's see, we will first of all revise laws of exponents here. Laws of exponents. So a raised to power m, here a is base and m is exponent, its other name is power. Here a is base and n is exponent. So when bases are same, dot means multiply and are going to multiply, then powers will be add. अगर bases same हो और वो multiply हो रही हो तो powers इनकी add होती हैं. Now if bases are same and are going to divide, then powers will be subtract. अगर bases same हो और divide हो रही हो तो powers इनकी subtract होती हैं. Now ए बी होल पावर एन. अब इस ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितने भी डिजिट हैं ये एन पावर उन सब की है. व्हेन यू विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट, देन ए रेज टू पावर एन एंड बी रेज टू पावर एन. देन ए रेज टू पावर 0 इक्वल्स टू 1, जिसकी पावर 0 होगी इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 1. नाउ ए रेज टू पावर एम होल पावर एन. अब ब्रैकेट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, सो you will multiply and you can write a raised to power m multiply by n. Now a by b whole power n. So a by b whole power n, and when you will separately you can write a raised to power n by a b raised to power n. When a raised to power minus n, if power is negative and you want to convert into positive, then shift down, then it becomes 1 by a raised to power n. These are the laws of exponents. Now these laws of exponents we will apply on exercise 2.4 question number 1. Let's see. We will start the solution of question number 1 part number first. So 243 makes the factors. First of all, 3 8 the 24, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 7 the 21, 3 9 the 27, 3 3 the 9 and 3 1 the 3. So now you have to find the factors of 32. 2 16 the 32, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4 and 2 1 the 2. Now you have to make the factors of 196. 196 के आप factors ये भी ले सकते हैं 14 multiply by 14. 2 9 the 18, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 9 the 18, 7 7 the 49 and 7 1 the 7. आप ये भी इसके फैक्टर्स ले सकते हैं, आप 14 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 14 भी ले सकते हैं, ये दोनों ठीक होगा. ठीक है. सो राइट द फैक्टर्स हियर. 243, 3 written here 5 times. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 and its whole power is minus 2 by 3. Now 32, its factors are 2 written here 5 times. 2 multiply by 2 whole power minus 1 by 5. Now 196, 14 multiply by 14, so whole power minus 1 and whole under root. So write in power form. 3 raised to power 5 and whole power minus 2 by 3. Now 2 raised to power 5 and whole power minus 1 by 5. So 14 to whole power minus 1 and whole power अंडर रूट. सो पावर के ऊपर पावर हो तो मल्टीप्लाई होती है, ब्रैकेट मीन्स, सो माइनस 2 by 3. नाउ 2 raised to power 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय minus 1 by 5, 5 कैंसिल विद 5. नाउ 14 raised to power minus 2, नाउ इट्स होल पावर 1 by 2, अंडर रूट इक्वल्स टू 1 by 2. Now cutting is not possible here. 5 multiplied by minus 2. So 3 raised to power minus 10 by 3, 2 raised to power minus 1 and 14 whole power minus 2 and 1 by 2. Bracket means multiply. So it will be cancelled and whole under root. You have just write the value of under root 1 by 2. So 3 raised to power minus 10 by 3, 2 raised to power minus 1. Now 14 raised to power minus 1. Now check that. Powers are negative, so you want to convert into positive. ऊपर वाली वैल्यूज़ नीचे शिफ्ट होंगी और नीचे वाली ऊपर शिफ्ट हो जाएंगी. ये आ जाएगा 14 ऊपर चला जाएगा 14 होल पावर 1 और ये आ जाएगा 3 होल पावर 10 बाई 3 और 2 की पावर 1. 2 1 द 2, 2 7 द 14. ठीक हो गया. 7 बाई 3 होल पावर 10 बाई 3. ठीक हो गया. अब 10 बाई 3 पावर है. ये रफ वर्क में मैं आपको करके बताती हूँ यहाँ पर. दैट इज़ द रफ वर्क. So I will draw here line rough work. 3 raised to power. अब 10 by 3 को डिवाइड करें. 10 divided by 3. 3 3 the 9. So 1. So write in whole form. 3 whole 1 by 3. So that is the whole part and that is the decimal part. So you can write here 7 divided by 3 whole power 3 and base is same of both numbers. So multiply by 3 whole power 1 by 3. That will be so 3 raised to power 3 means you can write 3 times, then multiply, it becomes 27. Now 1 by 3 means it is the value of cube root, so you can write here 3, its index is 3 and 3. That is the answer of first part. So you have to apply here laws of exponents. Now let's see its fourth part. These parts are included in smart syllabus. Now let's see its fourth part of exercise 2.4. So these parts are important for the point of view of long questions. So first of all you have to make the factors of 81. So makes the factors of 81. 3 2 the 6, 3 7 the 21, 3 9 the 27, 3 3 the 9. Now these are the factors of 81. Now 243. In previous part I have already find the factors of 243. 3 written here 5 times. So write the factors here of 81 here. 3 written here 4 times. So 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 whole power n. Now dot means multiply. 3 raised to power 5. So 3 raised to power 4n minus 1 and makes the factors of 243 and here 3 written 5 times. So 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. Now you have to draw a fraction here. So makes the factors of 9. 3 multiply by 3 whole power 2n. And dot means multiply 3 whole power 3 as it is. Now you have to write in power form. 3 written here 4 times, so you can write its power here 3 raised to power 4n. Now dot 3 raised to power 5 minus 3 raised to power 4n minus 1 and 3 raised to power 5. So 3 raised to power 2 whole power 2n. Dot means multiply 3 raised to power 3. So let's see जी. इसके यहाँ पे 2 मेथड्स अप्लाई किए जा सकते हैं. या तो आप ये बेसिस सेम है, इनकी पावर को ऐड कर लें. ये आ जाएगा 4n माइनस 1 प्लस 5. ठीक हो गया. इस तरह भी आप कर सकते हैं. सेकंड मेथड है कि पावर 4n माइनस 1 है, इन दोनों की बेस 3 है, आप इसको सेपरेट कर लें. ठीक है. दोनों में से आपको जो ईजी लगे वो आप कर सकते हैं. 3 रेज टू पावर 5 माइनस 3 रेज टू पावर 4n डॉट 3 रेज टू पावर. ये पावर इन दोनों की, ये दोनों पावर जो है ना, ये 3 की हैं, इनको मैंने अलग अलग कर दिया. ठीक है. नाउ 3 raised to power 4n and 3 raised to power 3. Now check that is first term, that is second term. Now let's see which one is common here. 3 raised to power 4n, 3 raised to power 4n. 3 raised to power 5, 3 raised to power 5. These are common. So taking 3 raised to power 4 and taking as a common and 3 raised to power 5 also. ये पूरे का पूरा कॉमन आ गया, इसकी जगह रह जाएगा 1. यहाँ से ये कॉमन आ गया, ये रह जाएगा 3 रेज टू पावर -1. ठीक हो गया. 3 रेज टू पावर 4 एंड 3 रेज टू पावर 3. अब इट विल बी कैंसल हेयर. सो अब 3 रेज टू पावर 5 है, ये 3 रेज टू पावर 3 है. इसमें से सेपरेट कर लें आप. यहाँ आप इसको ओपन कर लें. 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. अब दिस इज negative power, so you have to convert into positive, then you have to shift down. So now 3 raised to power 3 means to say you have to write here 3 times. So this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, and this will be cancelled. So it will be written 9. So one term is in fraction, second term is in without fraction, so you have to take here LCM. So its LCM is 3. We consider its denominator 1. 3 comes in the table of 1 3 times, so 3 multiplied by numerator 3. 3 comes in the table of 3 1 time, so 1 multiplied by numerator. So it becomes 9 multiplied by 2 by 3. 3 3 the 9, then its answer equals to 3 multiplied by 2, so its exact answer equals to 6. That is the answer. I hope you have understand exercise 2.4 part number 1st and 4th of question number 1. These two parts are very important for the point of view of long questions for board. So before ending this lecture, I will again discuss laws of exponents here. We will revise here. Check that. When bases are same and multiplies, then powers will be add. When bases are same and going to divide, then powers will be subtract. ये फर्स्ट और सेकेंड लॉ हमने अप्लाई किया. इसके बाद हमने ये लॉ अप्लाई किया. ए रेज टू पावर -n, इसको आप नेगेटिव में चेंज करना चाहते हैं, सो शिफ्ट डाउन. इट बिकम्स 1 डिवाइडेड बाय ए रेज टू पावर n, एंड दिस ए रेज टू पावर m मल्टीप्लाई बाय n. इट मीन्स ब्रैकेट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, सो ए रेज टू पावर m मल्टीप्लाई बाय n. ये 4 लॉज हमने इन पार्ट्स में अप्लाई किए हैं. सो take care of yourself and focus on your studies. Your papers are coming too near, so you have to prepare very well. And also subscribe my channel, like videos, share videos, and also click on bell icon. So Allah Hafiz to all of you and take care of yourself.